Today I'm gonna show you best FPS settings in GTA 5. If you find this guide helpful, like and subscribe to the channel and enjoy this video. Okay guys, all you need to do, just launch game like me and press escape button and you will see here settings. Click on it. Move here to display and go here on screen kill effect, switch this off and subtitles switch off. Go here on graphics. In this first section, ignore suggested limit, switch this off. Move here down on DirectX version from DirectX 11, choose like me DirectX 10. Move here to screen tape from window, choose window borderless. On resolution, set resolution from your monitor. Exactly, like me. Move here down on FXR, switch this off, and VSync leave on. Pause game on focus, leave on. Population density, set this half, like me. And this too. Distance scaling, also half. Move here down on texture quality from very high, switch to normal. Shadow quality from very high, switch on normal. Reflection quality from very high, switch on normal. Water quality from very high, switch on normal. Particle quality from very high, switch on normal. Soft shadows, choose softest. And move here on post FX from ultra, move on normal. Anisotropic filtering from 16, move like me on 4. If you have bad FPS and lag, set this off. Ambient from high, switch this off. After these settings, your game will be better and FPS will be good. And your graphic cards is used half. After these settings, go here space and apply. Go here enter yes and restart your game like me. After resetting GTA 5 like me, enjoy playing with best FPS settings on your PC or laptop. And that's it all guys for this video, how to get best FPS settings in GTA 5. If you find this guide helpful, like and subscribe to the channel and I see you in the next video.
Daddy, which one you want, nigga? Like that? Bobby big dick on a nigga, huh?